To auto-invest your paycheck into Bitcoin using Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and tapping the profile icon in the top right corner. From there, select the Investing tab and then choose Bitcoin. If you have not already, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions of investing in Bitcoin through Cash App. Next, navigate to the Banking tab and select Deposits and Transfers. Then Direct Deposit. Here you will find your account and routing numbers, which you will need to provide to your employer to set up direct deposit. Once direct deposit is set up, you will have the option to auto-invest a portion of your paycheck into Bitcoin. To enable auto-invest, go back to the Investing tab, select Bitcoin, and then tap Auto-Invest from here. You can choose the amount of money you want to invest each time you receive a paycheck, as well as the frequency of the investments. You can also set a recurring investment schedule to automatically invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It is essential to note that investing in Bitcoin carries risk, and the value of your investment can fluctuate rapidly. It is crucial to assess your financial situation and risk tolerance before investing in Bitcoin. Additionally, keep in mind that Cash App charges a small fee for buying and selling Bitcoin, which will be deducted from your investment. To get the most out of auto-investing in Bitcoin through Cash App, set a budget and stick to it, and make sure you have a solid understanding of the risks and benefits associated with investing in cryptocurrency. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and conveniently auto-invest your paycheck into Bitcoin using Cash App.